Hi everyone, today we're doing something different. We'll be talking about all the exciting announcements from Apple's 2024 launch event. Now this year has been particularly special because it's Apple's first time partnering with AI, which is a massive leap forward. Now the integration of AI into Apple's ecosystem promises to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, so let's jump right in and explore all the incredible new features Apple has unveiled. First up, let's talk about the iOS 18. Apple has taken their mobile operating system to the next level with this update. It's packed with features designed to enhance experience, making our iPhones more powerful and intuitive. The overall interface has been refined for smoother navigation and better performance. One of the standout features in the iOS 18 is the increased customization options for icons and home screens. Users can now change icon colors and positioning, giving them unprecedented flexibility to personalize their device's appearance. This means you can create your home screen that truly reflects your style and preferences, making your iPhone feel uniquely yours and very much like Android. Next, let's talk about the new and improved Control Center. The redesigned Control Center features new groups of controls, which you can access more fluidly with a single continuous swipe down on the home screen. You can add more controls from the Controls Gallery, which displays all your options in one place, including new controls from your favorite apps. Customize how your controls are laid out, resize them, or build your own groups of controls so they're always just a swipe away. This update ensures that everything you need is just a swipe away, making it easier to control your device on the fly. Another exciting update in iOS 18 is the ability to swap your lock screen controls with other features of your choice, such as a voice recorder or any other app you frequently use. This level of customization means you can tailor your lock screen to better suit your needs, providing faster access to tools you use most often. Okay, with all that said and dealt with, now let's move on to one of the most groundbreaking announcements from the event, Apple Intelligence. This innovation marks Apple's significant step forward into the AI realm, promising to transition how we interact with our devices. And before we talk about the big guns, I just want to tell you guys about one of my most favorite features, the Genmoji. This is an AI-powered tool which allows you to create highly personalized and dynamic emojis that can mimic your expressions and emotions. It is a fun and engaging way to communicate, bringing a new level of personality to your messages. You are able to create any emoji based on a text that you can prompt into either directly while you text or in a new Genmoji app, which gives you more customization options. And perhaps the biggest update of all, the new and improved Siri. This is the most significant overhaul Siri has received in years. With the integration of advanced AI capabilities, Siri can now take control of your device and perform a wide range of tasks, from managing smart home to setting reminders and sending messages. Siri is now more capable than ever. Additionally, Siri can tap into ChatGPT at a system level to handle more complex tasks, making it an incredibly powerful virtual assistant. Safari also got some exciting updates. It will automatically detect relevant information on a page and highlight it as you browse. These highlights display helpful information like directions and quick links to learn more about people, music, and TV shows. With a new table of contents and high-level summary, you can get a summary of an article before reading on, making your browsing experience more efficient and informative. To wrap up, Apple's 2024 launch event has truly been a landmark. The adoption of AI and the partnership with ChatGPT signify a new era for Apple's ecosystem. These innovations are set to enhance our user experience, making our interactions with Apple devices more intuitive, personalized, and powerful. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on latest tech. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. See you in the next video.